Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top
refrigerator parts accessories.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Welcome to the GE Appliances Water Filtration Lab, where GE water filters are tested to ensure the highest quality of filtration. We start with ordinary tap water, and this is methylene blue. It simulates impurities which may be found in tap water. We design and test genuine GE filters to reduce these impurities. Just because other filters are compatible with your refrigerator doesn't mean they perform as well as GE filters. Genuine GE filters make sure your water is cleaner, so you know your family is safer.
It's a good idea to replace the water filter in your Samsung refrigerator every 6 months or every 300 gallons filtered. To remove the water filter, locate the filter first. Twist the old filter to the left to unlock and pull it straight out. If the water filter is difficult to remove, there may be water pressure built up. Dispense a little water. Then, attempt to unscrew the water filter again. Open the new filter cartridge from its packaging and remove the white protection cap. Install the new filter by pushing it straight into the housing and turning it to the right. You'll know it's locked in place when the lock symbol matches up with the arrow. After installing the new filter, you should run a few gallons of water through the system, and this will help flush air out of the system and prevent dripping. Be sure to reset the filter indicator and you're all set.
This is a genuine Frigidaire water filter. It'll filter up to 99% of contaminants in your fridge's water, keeping it safe, pure, and tasting great. This is a counterfeit water filter. It probably won't.